Hey y'all, good morning. It's Things We're Making Thursday. This is Teresa with Critters Crochet, and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. Sorry, I was getting something over here. Um, it's Things We're Making Thursday, and y'all, I got so busy with customer orders and preparing for my crochet classes and just a lot going on. I did not get another set of rows done. I was going to do 12 each week. Y'all, it didn't happen this week. I'm just going to tell you. This is it. I still have it at the same spot I was at last week, but that's okay. I'm just going to double up, and you will see next Thursday you will see a little bit more progress, hopefully, because I got all my customer orders caught up. So I'll be able to really catch up on this one. I'm really excited today too because I am going to excuse me. I did not sleep very well last night. I think I've got so much going in my brain I couldn't shut it off and sleep. So I'm sorry if I yawned just then. But after I post this video, I'm heading to our local school, and the teacher there that teaches the gifted kids, she has asked me to come and teach them to crochet. She's got some girls, and I think one little boy, not real sure. But anyway, she has some kids in her class who want to crochet, and she knows they've been trying, and she thought it would be neat if I came and gave them some lessons. So this will be the first morning that I will be there to help them learn to crochet. So I'm excited. I've got my crochet class going with adults that are just dying to get started. I have some ladies waiting to hear back from me about daytime classes, and now I'm going to go teach some kids. And y'all, I'm beyond blessed. Um, when I had to leave my teaching job because of my facial nerve problems, um, I was crushed because that's been my lifelong dream, was to be a teacher. Since I was a kid, I wanted to be a teacher. And when I couldn't do that anymore, it just crushed me. And I've really missed it. But God knew a plan. He had it in the plans all along. Sometimes we just don't know what his plans are, but at some point in our life it's revealed and we understand. And I think that road of teaching, that path that I took to teaching and the path that I've been on, he's been leading me to this. And now I get to teach again. I'm teaching all over again. So it's just come full circle, and I'm just so excited. This video also, because I didn't make very much progress on my wrap, but that's okay. Um, I'm going to link that again. I'm going to link all the information about the Things We're Making Thursday in the description box. It'll have a list of all the creators that are participating, link and a link to the pattern. But I also wanted to tell you guys, I checked this morning. I'm at 518. Woo woo! So this is going to also count as my giveaway video. And I'm going to show you in just a moment. Just stay tuned, because I'm going to show you in just a moment the things that I'm including in the giveaway. But just over some rules. This giveaway is not sponsored by anyone. I bought everything with my own money. This is my way of thanking you for supporting my channel and getting us all to 500. I'm so excited. So, yeah, let me think now. Let me think of all. I should have wrote it down, and I didn't. Excuse me. I didn't write these things down, and I should have. But again, I'm not affiliated. This is not sponsored by a company. This is all me, to thank you guys. And right now, I am very, very, very sorry. But at this moment, I cannot do international. I wish I could, but shipping costs are so crazy right now that it's not in my budget right now to do that. But I'm hoping in the future, when our numbers get higher and I can start, earning money through YouTube, then I will be able to open up to international. But as of right now, I just can't. I hate that, but I just can't do it. So you must be you must be subscribed to my channel. Let me say that again. You must be subscribed to my channel to win this giveaway. And so let me show you what I'm giving away. You're going to have choices. So in the comments, and you have to comment on this video to be able to win, because I'm going to use the YouTube random comment picker from this video and use this video to pick the winner. So you have to comment on this video. So the first thing, and you have to, your choices of what you would like, should you be the winner, need to be in your comments. So I have two different kits from Darn Good Yarn. I have this one. Look at those blues and beige and cream colors. Is that not pretty? This is called, I cannot remember the name of it. Well, let me see if I can. There's that had, I don't think it's still in here. Yes, it is. It comes with a hook. It comes with knitting needles if you knit. If you don't knit, I think it has the crochet hook in there too. But this is called, let me pull the card out. It's called the Ocean Kit. And it doesn't have a pattern to it. These don't have patterns, but they do have the hook or the needles, whichever you use, and they have the yarn. And there's 3, 6, 9, 12 skeins of yarn, and each skein, let me look on here. I don't want to pull the skeins out because I don't want to mess this up because it's so packed, so pretty. Let me see if it says on here. I should have already had this out. Well, it doesn't say. I thought it said on here the amount, the skeins that were on it. The amount. Nope, it doesn't. Well, let me get one out and just see. Okay, each one of these is 140 yards. So 140 times 12, you should be able to make a really good project with this kit. So let me get this back in here and zip it up. So 140, let me just look. 140 times 12 is 1,680 yards. So you're getting 1,680 yards in this pouch right here. So we've got the ocean with these colors, or you can pick the rainbow, unicorns and rainbow. Look at those colors. If you like a lot of color, this would be perfect. Unicorns and rainbow kit. So if you want this one, you need to comment rainbow, choose rainbow, or you can tell me you want the ocean. Okay, ocean or rainbow. Then you get to choose one of the bags that I showed from Whisk F the other day. You can choose the mandala. Well, let me get this out of the way so you can see it. Here we go. You can choose the mandala, however you say it, bag, or the sunflower bag. Okay, so again, in your comments, you need to tell me ocean or rainbow yarn, sunflower or mandala. Okay, those are your choices in the kit. So I'm including those. I'm also going to put in, Hobby Lobby had a sale on some of their books. So I got this one. There's 12 48-hour Afghan patterns in this book. So I'm going to include that Afghan book in there. Now, I'm also going to include a few little surprises that I'm not going to tell you about. Okay? So make sure you comment again which tote you want and which bag of yarn you would like should you win. Okay? Today is, let me get my calendar out here. Today is the 13th of April. I will leave this open for 1 week. Okay? So that means, well, wait a minute. Nope. Wednesday the 19th. Just shy of a week because I'm going out of town to go pick up my grandsons on the 20th. So priorities, people, priorities. So today's the 13th. This drawing will end on the 19th. I will come on here and announce the winner and do the drawing on the morning of Wednesday, April 19th. Now, as you guys know, and if you don't know, let me tell you, there are scammers out there who are trying to get your information and scam you out of your money. Do not fall for them. I will not comment the winner on this video. I will not comment the winner on the drawing video. You will be notified through my video on the 19th if you've won. If you see a message from someone who looks like me, it's not me. If you see Critters Crochet, not me. I will not comment on this video or the drawing video. I will not do it. I will produce a video next Wednesday saying who the winner is. And then if you are the winner, you will need to send me an email to confirm. Okay? Don't fall for it. If they say, if it has some kind of WhatsApp, Cash App, whatever it is, that thing that they use now, it's not me. Don't fall for it and click on it because they will get your information. Do not. Okay? Again, I will not comment in the videos to tell you are the winner. You will have to watch my video on Wednesday the 19th to see if you are the winner. Got it? Okay. I want to thank you guys. I am so blown away by how all of you have come together to help this channel get to where it is. I've had other YouTubers share my videos and got the word out how close I was. Shannon from the Spoonie Stitcher, John Boy. I can't even begin to name everybody that's helped me, and I am so blown away. All of you guys are a part of this, and I'm so thankful. So again, you have until Wednesday. Let's see. Let me think here. I will come on Wednesday after 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I will post my video sometime after 8 o'clock Wednesday morning. So you have until 8 a.m. on Wednesday to get your comments for this. And you have to comment on this video, and you have to be a subscriber in order to win. Okay? I'm so excited. I cannot even. Now, nope, I'm going to save that for another video. I'm not going to do that on this one. So y'all, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. If you are new here and you have just arrived and you love crochet, you love yarn, whatever the reason is that you're here, thank you for stopping by. I hope you will hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I've got some things planned for content that I'm so excited about. So I'm going to let you guys go today. I've got a ton of things to do. I need to finish getting ready to go up to the school for my crochet class with the littles. I'm so excited. These are the kids in this class are, I think they're like around 8 or 9, maybe 10, 9 or 10. That's the age group. So I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm so excited. I hope you are excited about what I'm putting in the drawing. And remember, there's going to be surprises too. So have a great and wonderful and awesome Thursday. Thank you guys again from the bottom of my heart. This is not possible without you guys. So I am absolutely, completely grateful to each and every one of you. And so I will talk to you again in the next video. Have a great day today. God bless. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I cannot wait to continue this journey with you. See you later. Have a great day, guys. Bye.